Hello guys, this is the DSC 1864 and we're going to show you how to wire for Keybus integration with our MX03, our newest communicator on the market. In order to make the communicator to work with Keybus integration, we need the aux positive and aux negative. We are also using the yellow and the green. On this side of the panel we are using the tip and ring telco terminals. The tip and ring go over here. The green cable is wired to DAT2 and the yellow wire is wired to DAT1. We have plus and minus from the aux power terminals as well. Once we have the wiring, we need to log into the mobile application. Currently the communicator and application are reading the panel. Once this is completed, you can get the full Keybus functionality. You can arm, disarm, you can do stay arm, and you can see the partitions. Once the synchronization is ready, you see that we have two areas. We see all the zones over here. Additional video tutorials for this product and the mobile application are available on our YouTube channel.